Alright guys, today is the day. Concrete truck is on its way, and right now we're just waiting. The guys are out here in the back. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to throw the GoPro up, do some time lapse so we can see it going. This battery's almost dead, so it's going to be a quick intro, and here we go. Oh, shit.
Are you going to record it?
Yeah.
You vlogging your drill?
Yep, that's the plan.
You want to bring back a pizza?
I don't know. I don't know if they want pizza. They're grown ass men.
I'm gonna tell you where we are. We want this truck to come out.
Yeah, get over here and get moving. Truck number one. Hopefully I don't get bumped too much. Is that log in the way? Yes, that's fine. Yeah, he kept asking if I need a pump truck. I was like, you shouldn't need no pump truck. It's right here off the alleyway.
They just trying to make more money.
Yeah.
They ain't got none.
Yeah, they want me to add all that extra rebar up in there. That's where the peak is going to transfer all the weight. Yeah. I'm like, god damn. Yeah. Here it goes. Huh? Yeah, that's what they're going to use to screech. That's the supervisor. That machine over there is gonna it's gonna basically like wipe the surface constantly. I should have hold them. That's all rebar. No, I don't think so. They're just filling the beams up first. Concrete River. Yeah, pretty much. It's flowing. The amount of concrete we're getting, it ain't gonna be nothing.
Mixed with water, isn't it?
Huh?
Concrete's mixed with water, isn't it?
Yeah, that little bit of water that's in there ain't gonna make a difference. That'll just get pushed to the top. This is a lot heavier, so it's gonna, you know, push it up. What? Yeah, it's fine. That's just there because they want it there. Yeah, it ain't gonna matter.
That's pretty good. Obviously, there's much missing, but
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's got full armor. No. He's probably got about half that truck unloaded. No, 3 ain't gonna be too many. It's gonna come up to the top. Yeah. These are recesses for the garage door, so when it rains, that's gonna be a pocket, so the water won't go into the, hopefully go into the shop. Yeah, see the water? Water's gonna come up to the top. It's gonna displace that water and push it up to the top. A lot of fucking concrete.
So what is this little white
I don't know. They
thing for?
took it.
For a mile.
Huh?
What is the little white thing for? Because this is like wood for a mile.
Oh yeah, they just keep that it's to keep the rebar suspended in the concrete. Yeah, I got it pretty good right there. Looks about one. I don't know. Usually they'll have another truck coming about 10 minutes apart usually.
Is that all of it for the one?
Yeah, that's it for one.
Is 3 gonna be enough?
Probably not. I just ordered 3 and then I'll have to order
More.
a little bit more. I might, they're gonna, you know, they'll be able to judge how much more I'm gonna need once it's all said and done.
The concrete cost.
Huh? Mo?
Oh, is that Mo?
Yeah, it's Mo.
Well, I couldn't really see him. All I saw was a. Where is it? Jersey.
Huh? Mo? He's right there in the red jersey.
Him in his.
Yeah, it's Mo.
See, that's why I didn't recognize him either. I'm used to seeing him.
Alrighty folks, so this is a few days later. I've removed some boards already. The forms are still at the very bottom. They're going to be a fun chore getting those things out. So I'm not going to bother with it right now. So I just want to give y'all a quick update to end this video on how everything turned out. There's all the bolts all the way across. Not too bad. There is a low spot there. And last night I was rinsing it off, doing some things, and I found a little spot here. There's a couple little spots. I think it's just a little bubble areas here as well. So we'll have to chip that out and patch it. Not a big deal, not the end of the world. So got the sheathing, got the tin roof. So I'm just waiting today. I got some more stuff coming. I've got all the materials ordered for the most part. I might need a few little small odds and ends, but I should be able to start framing tomorrow or today. Well, I'm gonna get everything squared out because I got to go through, draw my lines, get it squared, because I know that back corner, this back form was off a little bit. So I'm gonna have to draw some lines, get everything kind of squared out. Because you can see here, you'll see right about there, you can see it kind of goes in a little bit. So I'm gonna have to make sure I get that straight with that. It's not a big deal. The only negative thing that I've found so far with this form, and it's driving me nuts and I need to stop letting it bother me, is that backside's a little high. You should be able to pick it up in the video, but it is a little high in the back. Yeah, you can kind of tell there. It looks worse than what it really is. I think from a distance perspective, it looks worse than when you actually get up on it, which I guess that holds true. But back here doesn't look bad. I think it's all in the angle. But you can see it, where my form kind of curved in. Oh well. Never claimed to be perfect. I try to be. Framing definitely is a lot easier. I'm a lot better at my framing than doing this. This is my first concrete slab I've ever poured to this size. As you see, I think in the video, I don't remember if I had in the GoPro video, I have these forms here, some extra concrete, so I decided to pour these. The two bottom ones are going to be for the air compressor. My electric is coming in on this side, is where my trench is, so my electric panel is going to be over here. So I'm going to set those two down and build a little box for my big air compressor to sit in outside, so it's not take up any extra room inside the shop. But for the most part, she's not bad. I got my recesses in for the garage doors and all that good stuff, so it's not too shabby. It's not perfect. I definitely don't do this on a daily basis, so don't judge me too harsh. But she's definitely solid. Got the grandbaby's footprints. Some of the other boys put their footprints in. Wife scribbled in my oldest boy's initials. That's the youngest boy's handprints. My daughter put hers in, but she didn't really get them in there enough. You can barely see a couple fingers. Anywho, so there's gonna be close to this video. We'll see how much time lapse I put in on this. It's a lot of time lapse, so I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I'll just throw it all on there, and if y'all want to fast forward through the time lapse, be my guest. I don't blame you. And these are the straps that are gonna go tie in. These are basically hold downs for the whole shop on the back side. The front side is gonna have a different type of hold down. It's going to be a huge metal bracket that bolts down into the concrete that I have to pre-drill for the concrete. I don't know, I can't wait. This is going to be nice. Pulling engines. You can have a vehicle parked in over here. I'll have a lift on this side, and then over here, you know, you can pull vehicles in, work on them. I'll have a 10-foot door here and a 10-foot door there, a 10-foot door there, a walk-through door over there. So I think we'll have a nice breeze being able to generate through here with this big old 10-foot by 10-foot door. I'm excited. As much as it's driving me nuts knowing that this corner is high, it's still, I'm trying not to let it eat my lunch, because whatever, it is what it is. I'll figure out a way to kind of work around it. But there we go, folks. Alright, we're going to close this video out. Please like, subscribe, share, comment. Tell me how much of a dumbass I am for fucking up this concrete. But be what it be, she's a solid piece of fucking concrete, that's for sure. It's roughly around 5 inches thick all the way through. Probably on that side a little thicker. So, and that's where I'm going to put my lift, is over here. And we'll figure all that out later on down the road. I'm not going to have a lift right off the bat, because I'm pretty much out of money. Unless someone wants to donate me a lift, which I highly doubt that's going to happen. So that'll have to wait until I get that truck done, that C10, which will be the first project to go in here, is that C10. We'll be working on that. Alrighty, folks, take it easy.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.